Hey there, let me show you how to make 3-step Afrohouse drums in 3 minutes. If you're new, hit the subscribe button down below and let's get started. When making 3-step, typically the tempo is usually within the range of the amapiano and Afrohouse genre, so basically between 110 to like 120, but we're using 115. And with the kick, in fact, this is where the 3-step vibe comes from. With the kick, this is exactly how it is. Just hit this, just that bounce, and then so let's also extend it in here as well. And then we're going to layer it with this sound. Just simply copy and then paste it. And then we're going to come right here and add a percussion sound. Once you've gotten this bounce already, anything else you add on top of that will just be your own personal touch of 3 steps. So let's add this right here. Let's add this as well. Then let's also add this. Just simply copy that to layer it. I like having some bass heavy percussions. Then we'll now add a rim. So the rim could come first or it can come now at any point. So let's have this. It could be a rim, it could be a snare, either one works. And then we'll come here. We can add another rim again here. Then we're going to layer this rim with this sound. I think I like it just one sound in there. And then we're going to come here with a snare. Remember I said you could use the snare or rim shot. You could even combine both in the same drum pattern. So we'll come here. So we'll have that. Then we'll have this sound again. And then we have this guy. Crash. This is totally optional, but it typically goes with the snare. You typically have this part coming in like maybe where the bass is going heavy or maybe where you have a chorus or a hook. But for the main part of the song where the drums is just playing, this part will suffice. So let's add some shaker loops. So we just drop this right here. I already have some shakers in here. Just drop it in there like that. And they also have another shaker loop. So basically 2 different shaker loops. To make it sound fuller and give you a more unique vibe. And then when we hear it all together, and that's pretty much it, how you make 3-step in 3 minutes. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and follow for more tutorials, tips, and tricks. Cheers.